the homework. Do you want to have a look at the notepad?
Yes, 100%. So,
Okay.
networking. What is a networking? This class is basically for only networking, basic concepts completely. Okay. So advanced concepts we will discuss later. So basic concepts first, like what is your network card, how it will be helpful to you, what are the network cards will be available in Linux operating system. We'll discuss one by one step. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Well, let's say that. So networking cannot be, we cannot do in through putty, because why? Network communication will be fails means what happens? So your uh, network communication fails means your network communication fails means you cannot connect through putty. So we have to directly sit on the computer and we have to do. Okay. So
Okay.
we are going for an RHEL. First, let me minimize this and let me open.
I wanted to ask you something.
Tell me.
You know, like for the sudo permissions, okay, for one of the homeworks that you gave me, I tried to because I'm more familiar with the VI. I've never read Vim editor, but the only difference I saw is that the numbers were showing, the line numbers were showing.
No,
Okay.
VI and VI you so little bit difference. Both are same only. Only small change is that in VI is the more easiest way, because for example colors. Okay, syntax wrong is there. So in VI you cannot get syntax wrong. Something that blue color, green color, where the syntax is properly there. If it is any errors will be there, it will show you the VI editor, and the where is your cursor location, everything it will show you. Another thing is that
Okay.
you edited one file, you closed it. Once again you want to open it. So the cursor will be there only, it will not at top. But in VI editor what happens? Your cursor will be at top. Again you need to come down, all these things. That is the main
Okay.
difference. These are the differences mostly. But both are
So
same only.
okay. So would you I've never looked at Vim. Should I look at Vim?
Nothing in there. Both are same. No changes.
Okay.
Only the command difference is I told you, color, and it is showing the line numbers, all these things. And I told so wherever it will be, wherever you close, where is your cursor is there. Example, line number 20th, your cursor is there. So again you close the VIM file and reopen again. Your cursor will be at the 20th place. But in VI, the cursor will be at the first line. That is the difference. So 95, 97% no changes. These are the three changes you have mostly.
Okay. Okay.
But most of the people are going to use VIM only. Because why? For the programming who will write now, they will use VIM, because it makes them very easy to understand any errors are there or not. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let's say that we will going for a network concept. Network concept means, so in Linux operating, you know that what is a network, right?
Mm-hmm.
You know what is a network?
Yes, network is like a collection of computers that are interacting with each other.
Okay.
Not computers, but equipments, electrical equipments communicating with each other.
Okay. Means, so if you want to communicate each and every computer, if they two want to, example, if you have a two systems on your office, or in your more than two computers are there in your in your office, in your home. Okay, let's say that you want to share a data. So you cannot copy the data into the flash drive, again you cannot put it to the another computer like that. It is not possible. Okay. So example, if I have only one printer. I want to give a printout. I'm using already for one computer, the printing is going on. So I want to share the same printer to another computer. So I cannot purchase another printer. So what I will do? I can share the resource. Means if you have a networking, so the advantage of networking is that you can share your resource between two different computers, more than two different computers. Okay. So files and folders you can share, computers, whatever may be there, the resources are available in the internet network. You can share all the information. So there is different types of networks are available. So you can say that local area network. Local area network means within your premises. Like you have a home. you have two laptops, one server, one computer, all the things are there. So beyond your router, example, let's say that I need paint again. How can I get it? Okay, I will do. Okay, so here in your home, I think you have a router. Yes or no?
Mm-hmm.
Above the router, you have a some computers, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like this, like this. You have a computer or not?
Mm-hmm.
Now, for your home, this is called a local area network because it is all within your premises, within your home. So this all devices can communicate each other. So this is the called a local area network. Got it?
Got it.
Now, second one. So near to your home is there. So another person is there having a one route near to your home. So another family is staying. So they having a like this concept. So here you have an option. Here they having a computers like this. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
for them, they're having a one computer. So this is their local area network. They can communicate each other like this. Yes or no?
Yes.
So example, let's say that you you and your nearest home, they can communicate each other. Okay, then it is called a what? It is called a, you can say that it is an intranet. What do you say that?
Intranet.
Intranet means, so you have internet, you have internet, so these computers can communicate each other because here two different devices are there. This is their router, this is their router, so you both can able to communicate each other. Yes or no?
Yes.
So on the occasion, this is called a intranet. Okay, means
Mm-hmm.
directly your router and their router can communicate each other. So you can able to transfer the data from this computer to this computer or this computer to this computer like this. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so this is a intranet, means without any third party involvement, means from your computer to your nearest neighborhood computer who are there, so directly your router and their router directly connected each other. So then what happened? It is called a intranet. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
now here another occasion is came. Now you said, see here, here it is a third party company. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
or totally three different neighborhood computers are there. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
your router and your nearest router and your nearest router, they do not have any communication each other. They don't have any communication each other through router. They did not connect it like this. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
say they did not connect it directly. So they connected through another third party person. So let's say that here another person is there, your internet provider. Internet provider. So what happening? This internet provider is connected to your router, and that internet provider is connected to this router and this router also. Means he is managing communication between three different routers from here near to you. But you cannot communicate directly. So what you're doing, if this router want to communicate to this one, so he will communicate with this one internet provider is going to communicate him. So like that same thing, he want to communicate to here, what happened? He will communicate like this. So now what happened? Here a third party involvement is coming. Yes or no? This is the person who is a third party involvement. So the whole concept, the whole way means the third party involvement is there without communicating directly. If any third party involvement is there, then it is called a internet. What do you say that?
Internet.
Internet means communication of each other with a wide area network. Widely means different places are there. Okay. Hello?
Yes.
You getting or not?
I'm here. Yes. Yes.
If communication between two different routers or two different computers, if any third party involvement is there, okay, or the other person involvement is there, then you have to say that it is an internet.
Internet.
Intranet means I told you already, your router and your router can directly, your router and nearest to your router can communicate each other directly, then it is called what? Intranet. So local area network, your computers are communicating each other, then it is called what?
Internet.
No. Your computers in local area network, this is called a local area network.
Okay.
So totally three different words you got it right now. First one is that LAN, second one is intranet, third one is internet.
Internet.
Yes. So State Bank of India, so banking sectors are there. So banking sectors are having two different options they are having. They are having internet will be there, intranet will be there. How? Example, Bank of America is there. For Bank of America, for communication, for their communication each other. For their communication each other in the each branch they want to communicate in, they will use intranet. But if the customer want to communicate with the bank, then they will use internet. Got it?
Yes.
So that is the difference. Intranet and internet. Clear?
Yes.
So now this computer and this computer. So example here you have a one computer on your computer local area network. Okay. Here also one computer you have a local area network. So if these both want to communicate each other, they need some particular, like you and me communicate want each other. What we need to do? You need a one phone number, I need a one phone number. So the phone number should be unique. Yes or no?
Yes.
The same way in local area network, either outside of the network, the people who the computers which are there, they want to communicate each other, they need a one number each other. Network cannot communicate directly each other. Network is required a what? Communication number is required. That is called a IP address. What is called as an
IP address.
IP address is called a internet protocol address. Okay? Internet protocol address. So, see, generally on your computer right now in your Windows 7, Windows 8 operating system, what is the IP address you have? So, click here. So, here,
Country
right
one.
click.
Yeah, that sounds.
How to go this? I don't know. It's not going.
I don't know either.
Okay, we'll go like this.
Maybe you come to network.
Where is the network?
You want to come to control panel? Control
yes,
panel?
Yeah.
You see it? Can I show you? Control panel?
Show me. I don't know this. Oh, I can see that.
It's a nightmare. Okay.
But if you know very well using, no, then it becomes easy for you. But actually Windows 8 is good, but I don't know why they made like this.
I think they're trying to copy Apple. MacBook, yeah. They try to make it app friendly.
friendly, but which makes more difficult to the user, those who are already familiar with this other
Yes.
technology.
I worry about the older generation. I think it's harder for them.
Yes, they cannot understand it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you see here, when you go details, it is showing your IP address. Yes or no?
Mm-hmm.
So the IP address will be 192.168.1.5. Okay?
Okay.
So these are the, again you have a different concept for IP, how to get the IP address. There is a three different types of IP addresses will be there. Class A, Class B, Class C, Class D, and Class E. Different types of models of IP addresses series are there. Okay.
Class A, B, and C.
Yes, Class A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Hello.
Yes. My God. A, B, C, D, E.
Yes. So that is again, that is a CCNA concept, those are all. But we don't require those things, we need only these things. So right now you can check it here, IP address, okay? And
Mm-hmm.
the IP address which is there, a unique IP address will be there in the intranet. In the internet or intranet, there will be unique IP address will be there for each and every computer. For local area network, you also record a unique IP address, but local IP address which are there, no, they cannot communicate with outside. Well, let's say that example, say here you have a 192.168.1.5 is there, yes or
5.
no?
Mm-hmm.
So
Yes.
in this router, below this router, there also you can have a 192.168.1.5 can be there, because
Mm-hmm.
these are all under this router. These are all under this router. Okay. So that is the reason
Okay.
this is called a local area network. This is called a local area. But
Mm-hmm.
this and this can communicate, I told you already, because why they are in intranet. So this having a separate IP address will be there. Here we having a separate IP address will be there. Clear?
Yeah.
Fine. So now for each and every computer, how you have a means each and every computer want to communicate each other. They need how you have a unique IP address like that. The computer IP address will be assigned to in your computer. What for a network card. So generally, see, so we have a network card will be there. In Linux, we can say the network card. Okay. So what is this network card? Network card which is nothing but you are going to assign the IP address which can able to communicate each other. Okay. So let's say that I will show you how the network card will be looks like. You know how it will be looks like?
Yes, I do know.
You know, right?
Mm-hmm.
No need to show you. Yes or no?
I don't. I've never seen the one for servers. Do they look like the? I used to work with desktops once when I
Same,
was a
no
student at
changes.
university.
Name, same, no changes. So either in the desktop, either in the server, both will be looks like same, but only changes that inside that some changes will be there. What? Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So network card in Linux operating system or Windows operating system, either whatever maybe the operating system you have, depends upon the operating system type, it will be named as different. You can say the network card, LAN card, okay, you can say that Ethernet card, whatever may be anything you can spell out your wish. Okay, these are the different names you have for a network card. Okay,
Okay.
next in Linux, basically in Linux, so there will be a in Linux basically it is called a Ethernet card. What you can say that? Ethernet.
Internet card.
So that will be named as ETH. Ethernet card will be named as ETH, Ethernet. Now, in Linux operating system, this Ethernet card also looks like a file for Linux. Linux cannot understand that this is a Ethernet card. Linux understands that it is a file. I told you already before that. In Linux, everything looks like a file. Yes or no? Like that, CD-ROM, hard disk, pen drive, whatever maybe you keep, everything will be recognized as a file only. Like that, same thing, Ethernet card also recognized as a file for your network card. Got it now?
Yes.
And all your network related information will be stored under all your network related info will be stored under where in Linux operating system /etc sys config network hyphen scripts. In this folder your files will be stored. Got it?
Okay.
So your network card file will be, see how many network cards you can keep. So that depends upon your motherboard capability. You can have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. Okay, max to max 6 only. Maximum 6 only they will keep, not more than that. Okay?
Maximum 6.
No. I'm not saying that. You can
Depending.
keep. You can keep more than that. But generally what I know in right now on our servers what we are using, we are having a 6 only maximum. Okay?
But that is not necessarily the limit. You're saying it depends on the motherboard.
Yes, exactly.
Depending on the slots available, right? Like different motherboards have different number of slots.
Yes. So by default, if you go for big motherboard, you will get by default 4 slots. You will get it. 4 slots. Okay. 4 by default you will get it. If you want, you can add another 2 or 3. Depends upon your slots on your motherboard also. Okay. Okay. Now, once this Ethernet card files you got it, then you need to know that what is the Ethernet card file name will be there for your network card. So the file name will be ifcfg-eth. So if you have a first Ethernet card, always starts with 0. Second one, ifcfg.
What is the IFCFG again?
Yes, this is the network card file name. I told you how many cards will be there, that number of files will be there, because Linux cannot recognize it is a network card. It's recognized as a file. One, like that, continue. How many are there, that number of files will be generated. So let me show you that. I will go and I will show you that. cd etc sysconfig network hyphen. Okay. Now here you say ls. See, these are all, see, I told you no, these are all network related files. If you have any network related issue, you should not search in any other place. You have to search here only. Got it?
Okay.
Got it or
what is the what is the difference between, you ended this the path with a /?
This one.
What would have happened if you did like network scripts? Yes. What if you didn't put that slash?
This
the
one.
last slash, what would happen? Yes. What would happen?
See, these are all files are available inside this directory. See, whenever you are typing anything, no need to worry. See, let me say that cd/etc. When you are typing, no need to type completely etc, because already etc folder is available. /et, type and press tab. Automatically, if the directory is existing, it will come automatically. See that. Example, say that network hyphen. Okay, networks are there. Okay, let's say that file and folder, anything will be there, it will show you. Sys tab. Okay, sys network sys config hyphen. Okay, either network hyphen sc tab. You try. You know that, right? You know or not?
Yes, I do. I do, yes.
Okay.
It completes, yeah, completion of the command.
Yes, means if for the directory or in a folder if existing, then it will automatically comes.
Right.
Okay, why you given here the slash means? Because these all files are available inside the network script folder. Okay.
Okay.
So now you can see that this IFCFG ETH0 is your what? Network card file. That is the file. If you have a 2 network cards, you can keep another IFCFG ETH01, you will get it. Like that, how many network cards will be there on your computer, that number of cards you will be available. Okay.
Okay. What is EM0? Because when we were checking, you're looking at my server, and it was showing EM0.
Yes, because here it is showing ETH0, Ethernet card 0, but that also depends upon your what type of network card it is also. Some it is here you have a VMware, so it is showing any ETH0, but it's a server, and there you will have a gigabyte LAN card. Okay, there the gigabyte LAN card name it is showing as a what? EM0, or maybe LAN card is not properly configured. That is the reason it is showing like that. Got it?
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
Now, so this is the what? LAN card. This is the Ethernet card file's name. Now, in my office, if I having a 10 computers and 10 computers network card name is what? Ethernet card. What is the Ethernet cards having? They having a 10 gigabyte LAN cards are there for each and every computer. Then I assigned a IP address to all the computers. But all the computers network card which are having a gigabyte LAN card, they having a what? Same type of you can say that same number of same manufacturer for all the LAN cards. Now how can I recognize that? So each and every LAN card having a this number of IP address, that is IP address, how can I recognize? So for that what happens, what is the LAN card you will have, there will be a one MAC address will be there. MAC, M-A-C, MAC address, which is a unique identification number, 8 digit, sorry, I think it's a 10 digit unique identification number for a network card. Let me show you. See, this is called a, so 12 digit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, 12 digit unique identification number. Got it now?
Okay.
So either you have a Windows, Linux, on Solaris router, maybe same company network cards are there. You will have a unique ID number will be there. That unique ID number is called unique identification number. That is called a MAC address. Got it now?
So 12 digit
Digit
unique
identification
12
number.
digit unique ID number. Okay.
Yes.
For each LAN card. So it's like let's say if all
The world, how many computers are there? If you have a LAN card, a separate will be there. Okay.
Okay. Like all computers come with their own serial number. So you're saying all LAN cards come with their own
yes.
MAC address, which is
Yes.
like their okay.
Manufacturer is going to give you this MAC number. If you change the MAC number of any, you can also do one thing. You can change the MAC number, but if you do changes in MAC number, then it is not possible to change. Generally, if you change in hardware level also, it may not be possible that it can communicate. Okay. So this is one. Okay. Now we can assign the IP address for a computer. Different ways are there. Computers. How many ways are there? Number one is command mode. Second one is graphical mode. Okay. So either command mode or graphical mode. Other ways are there. One is using tools which we are going to use. tools. What type of tools we are going to use? Number one, system hyphen config hyphen TUI. This is command mode tool, okay? Or
TUI,
graphical
okay.
mode. This is, or also you can go for ifconfig command. Second one you can go for these are the different commands which are there to assign your IP address. Okay. So next one you need to know that how many steps. First step, assign IP address to step system hyphen config hyphen. Oh sorry, here I have a for also you have another option here using tool, and you can also go for manual. Manual. So here if you want to go system hyphen config hyphen.
What is this again? System
Hyphen config hyphen network hyphen TUI.
What is this one for?
Oh no, here only I did wrong. System hyphen config hyphen network hyphen TUI. Okay. So first open the script file, open the system hyphen config tool. Then second step is.
Can I ask you something? The different tools, okay? You're saying the system config network TUI, ifconfig and netconfig.
These are
what is
these are the three tools which will be used to assign your IP address. Okay.
Okay.
So see, IP address can be assigned command mode, either graphical mode. Okay. Tools which are used to assign your IP address. Okay. So without tools also you can do by manually. You can go to the script file and you can modify the script file even. You can say right here, you can understand here. Tools used to assign IP address. Okay. And these are, if you are going to use the tools, what are the steps you are going for? STE steps for
steps.
assign IP. Okay. So system hyphen config hyphen TUI assign IP
address.
IP. Then third one, restart it's a mandatory. So these are the steps you need to follow. Assign the IP address. Okay. Clear now?
Theoretically, yes.
Yes. You see, if you know these things, minimum things these are all know. Okay. So it is not a mandatory that you have to learn all these tools. You can go either manually. You can go one tool. It's enough. But very easy. These tools are not very complicated. Okay, let's say let me show you. So here I have. Okay, let me say that I want to assign IP address system hyphen config hyphen.
Oh, excuse me. Can I just record this? I forgot to record.
I am recording it. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay, you also start recording. No problem. Go ahead. Your side.
Can you give me the like?
You have.
Huh?
You can go ahead record.
Okay, but I don't know. Will I have access to you? Because I've never. My networking is one of my main weaknesses. I've never understood it. So today I forgot for some reason. So I don't have it from the beginning.
No, I have a beginning.
Sorry.
You don't. Why it's not coming?
No, it's the.
Okay, you do it.
The VMware. Yeah, this one. right?
Yeah, but you want to record, no? From your side also.
Yes.
Okay, how you will record it? Okay, let me show you. Don't worry.
I use
I
team
will.
meeting.
Wait. I will do for you. I will record on the VMware itself. Okay.
Okay.
In the VMware, it directly records. See where it is going. It will going to store on your desktop. Okay. But voice will not be there. Only this will be there. Okay. On the desktop, it is showing.
Okay.
See, recording is going on here.
Okay.
Now see.
Sorry about the confusion.
No,
Okay.
no problem. Because it's going on now. Just now we started practical, right?
Yes.
It is important for you.
Yes. Because
System,
like I said, networking is.
system
I've
hyphen.
never really understood it. Config network TUI.
Okay. Enter. Now it will ask you assign the IP address. See, it's entering into another tool. Okay, it will ask you DNS configuration or device configuration. We have to go for device configuration. Enter. Now see here, it is 0 showing or not? So enter again.
Yes.
Now you are asking assign the IP address. So here IP address can be assigned two ways. You can say that.
Yes, I can see that.
It's not coming. Okay, IP address can be assigned two ways. If you select here DHCP means which comes from IP address which will comes from automatically from your router. But we don't record any router IP address, right? If you want to set the IP address manually, you can go ahead. So if I select spacebar over here, after going over there, if I am going to press spacebar, star will come automatically, and IP address will come automatically to a what router. But if you want to assign manually, also you can go see that 192.168.1.1.
So static IP means your
manually we are assigning manually.
Yeah.
Okay, let me assign some 13 IP address, not 13. Let me assign some 25. Whatever maybe. So you can assign from 2 to 253. You can assign maximum here 1 dot. How much you can assign from 2 to how much you can assign 254. Okay. So here I am giving here how much IP address. Now it came. So
how did you determine 254?
Because that is I told you that is a CCNA concept, network concept. I told you class A, class B, class C series are there, class D series are there. Depends upon this, you have to assign here up to 254. Okay, each series can contain only up to 254 series only. I will explain you. That is also later tomorrow class. I will explain you. Right now you understand that. So here we are assigning up to 2 to 254 only. Okay.
Okay.
So now I am assigning here 25 IP address. And the subnet mask should be 255.255.255.0. And if you have any gateway, you can give here 192.168.1.1. 1.1. And if you have a DNS also, you can give here 192.168.1.1.
In which instance do you use DHCP, like for only LANs, right? If it's a LAN, you're not getting out. It's not intranet or internet.
No, anywhere you can use LAN, anywhere you can use DHCP. But if in your router DHCP server is not running on, service is not running on, then you cannot get the IP address from router. It will give you error message always. So now in your router, DHCP service is running on. That is the reason you are getting a IP address. But what we are doing, we don't want that. We want to assign it manually, so we are assigning it manually. Getting or not?
Okay.
So now we assign the IP address. Then click on OK. Press tab, it comes here and press enter. Now save it. Now you need to do save and exit, save and quit. Second step is done. What we did? We opened a network tool, we assigned the IP address, and we able to.
You have to restart the network.
So next one, service, network restart. Okay. So if it is network up, if it is a network is working, you can check it. ifconfig is a command to check your IP address, whether it is added or not. See here, it should show here IP address, not showing anything. Okay. Here it is not showing anything, as well as here it is showing here into button, into mark, means cross mark, means network is no network connection. If it is showing like that, yeah, if it is not active, see here, here. At the top,
okay.
So in this case, what you can see that if you are not able to see IP address or it is showing here like this, then you can execute one, after restarting network also you can execute one command, if up space eth0. Okay, now see, cross mark is gone. Yes or no?
Yes.
if config. Now 25 IP address we assigned, it should show here. See here, showing or not?
Yes.
So now the latest IP address which we assigned, we can see over here.
By the way, I don't see the difference, like if up eth0 before you issue this command. The only thing that the difference I saw is the the network connection was not, it was not connected, which was on the upper right hand corner, right?
Yes.
But looking at all this information in if config, I couldn't tell that there was a problem with the network. How could you tell?
See here the IP address is not showing anything in the first one. Before activate this one, it is not showing. The main thing is that we need this one. What is the IP address is assigned? If it is not showing, that means it will show you cross mark over there. If it is not activated. Okay. If it is not activated, means you cannot communicate with other computer. How you will communicate? If it is showing over there, then only you can communicate, right?
Okay, got you.
Okay. Now, how you say that your network connection is completely working fine or not? So if it is showing here, it is clear that okay, it is working for your own computer. But if it is working or not, I can check it by using a one command, ping. So if I want to working or not, I can check www.yahoo.com. See, once you type ping is a command which will help you whether your internet connection or either it is communicating with other your computer, it will tell you clearly. So ping means packet internet gopher. It is a one command. Okay. Ping space your any website IP address or that computer IP address or that computer name. If you give here, it will give you like this: 64 byte, 64 byte, 64 byte. 64 byte means it is clear that your system able to communicate with other networks or other internet or other computer. Clear now?
Yes.
So you have to type ping space. Example, your internet is working or not, you can check it. www.google.com. See, working or not? If you press Control C, it will be disconnect. Control C. You try once.
Yes. Control C.
No. Right now, no. You type. No, you do one thing. Ping space. Type some IP address from server website.
But www, right?
Yes. Okay. Maybe sometimes it may not be work because why they will block everything from outside pinging. Hackers will do what? No, they will trace all these things. That is the reason they will block everything. You don't worry. You try Google or some other website.
Okay.
Okay. Now you need to check like this. Close it. Cancel it. Clear? Now?
Clear.
Okay. So I think today is enough for you. Huh? Tomorrow we'll
Yes,
go
I
for
need to.
another.
I
Today is
need
enough.
to
You practice it.
revise. Yes, I need to.
Uh, yeah. Tell me.
I could not find the CD for the drivers of the server, so I think I need to download the driver for the Ethernet card.
Okay. I will check for you tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Okay then. Bye.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.